Good morning, students. Welcome to Amazing Facts. India is the seventh largest country by area in the world and it is a subcontinent of Asia. India represents a land of unity in diversity. That means our country is a mixture of various cultures, religions, traditions, and diversity in food as well as languages, etc. Today in this video, let's see some 25 interesting and amazing facts about India. So the first one is, the name India is derived from the river Indus. Then, the Indian epic Mahabharata remains today the longest single poem in the world. The third fact is, India is the world's largest milk producer. The fourth fact is, zero is the number system was invented by a mathematician from India. His name was Aryabhata. Fifth fact is, yoga originated from India and is still in existence for over 5,000 years. Sixth fact is, India has the biggest population of vegetarians in the world. Seventh amazing fact is, India has Taj Mahal, one of the 7 wonders of the world. Eighth fact is, India is second only to the USA when it comes to speaking English, with around 125 million people speaking the language. Then, 104 satellites were launched in a single rocket by India ISRO on 15th February 2017. 10th amazing fact is, India is the world's largest producer and exporter of spices. 11th fact is, India is the largest producer of bananas with around 30 million tons of production a year. India has more population than the entire western hemisphere of Earth, which is 1.34 billion. Oldest language in the world is the Indian language Tamil. It is more than 5,000 years old. Indian capital New Delhi is the world's most polluted city. The 15th fact is, India has more people using the internet than the entire population of the US. In India, cow is treated as a sacred figure. The Kohinoor and other precious jewellery embedded peacock throne, world's costliest throne, was the seat of the Empress Shah Jahan of India. It costed twice as much as Taj Mahal. The 18th fact is, the Indian Railways has world's 4th largest rail network and it employs around 1.6 million people. The national calendar of India is the Saka calendar. It has 365 days and 12 months like the Gregorian calendar. Chaitra, the first month, and starts on March 22nd and in leap year on March 21. India has the second largest road network in the world after the US. India experiences 6 seasons: summer, autumn, winter, spring, summer monsoon and winter monsoon. India was an island 100 million years ago. India has the largest written constitution in the world. More than 19,000 languages spoken in India as mother tongues and it is listed as 22 official languages. Shampoo is a concept given by India. So children, I hope you are benefited with this information. So my India, my pride. Thank you.